Hey everyone, so I'm Hilary Lindy from B Section 3A, and this video is I will discuss the operation in the hospitality industry. Management. So operations management plays an important role in the success of any business. Operations management is the management of direct resources needed to produce goods and services provided by an organization. It includes all the activities essential to create, design, manage, and deliver a product to a service, from choosing raw materials and suppliers to supply chain management and distributing the final product or service. It is the area within the organization that is considered with creation of all products and services of a business. Structure of McDonald's. McDonald's Corporation has a divisional organizational structure. Conceptually, in this structure type, the business organization is divided into components that are given responsibilities based on operational requirements. Each division handles a specific operational area of a set of strategic objectives. One of the aims of this corporate structure is to support autonomy and organizational flexibility in satisfying business needs in different organizational aspects and markets. McDonald's organizational structure has the following characters arranged according to significance in affecting food service business operation. Global hierarchy, performance-based divisions, function-based groups. So let's go to the global hierarchy. McDonald's Corporation has a global hierarchy to cover all its operation worldwide. This feature of the organizational structure emphasizes corporate control in the context of managerial control and direction. For example, McDonald's CEO directs the activities of all business areas through these structural characteristics. Mandates and directives are passed from the CEO down to middle managers and to the restaurant managers and personnel in company-owned operations and among franchises. This feature of McDonald's corporate structure is typical of most global business organizations. So the next is performance-based division. Performance-based divisions are the most distinct features of McDonald's corporate structure. Prior to its reorganization on July 1, 2015, McDonald's had the following geographic divisions in its organizational structure: US, Europe, Asia Pacific, Middle East and Africa, and other countries, and corporate, including Canada, Latin America, and corporate. After the reorganization, the company used performance as the basis of the new division in its organizational structure. The U.S. international lead markets, high growth markets, and foundational markets and corporate. The United States division provides the biggest regional sales revenues to McDonald's. The combination of international lead markets also represent a major chunk of the company's revenues. The high growth markets account for a small minority of McDonald's revenues, even though these markets present considerable potential for business growth based on rapid economic development. So the last is function-based groups. McDonald's maintains function-based groups in its corporate structure. For example, in corporate operations, the company has a people group for human resource management and a supply chain and sustainability group of supply chain management and sustainability endeavors. Each group is under the leadership of a corporate executive of senior manager. This organizational structure characteristics enables McDonald's Corporation to address the basic functions in its business. Groups may be added or changed as the company grows and its target markets change. History of McDonald's. The first McDonald's restaurant was opened in 1940 by brothers Maurice and Richard McDonald in San Bernardino, California. It originally was a drive-in that offered a wide selection of items. However, in 1948, the brothers decided to revamp the business, and after a three-month renovation, a newly envisioned McDonald's opened. The small restaurant was designed to produce huge quantities of food at low price. To achieve this, the brothers limited the menu, which only featured hamburgers, potato chips, later replaced by French fries, drinks, and pie, and developed a simple, efficient format that they named Speedy Service System. This included a self-service counter that eliminated the need for waiters and waitresses, and customers received their food quickly because hamburgers were cooked ahead of time, wrapped, and warmed under heat lamps. These innovations allowed the brothers to charge just 15 cents for a basic hamburger, about half the price of competing restaurants. McDonald's was a huge success, and the brothers began a franchise program. The areas of operation and how they manage it. McDonald's Corporation's operations management supports the company's position as the largest fast food restaurant chain in the world. The 10 divisions of operations management represent the various strategic areas of operation that must be coordinated for optimal productivity and performance. McDonald's global business entails a wide variety of strategic needs for its operation management, such as strategic HRM and supply chain development. McDonald's also needs to address the impacts of the competition with firms like Subway, KFC, and Wendy's. To do so, McDonald's must apply suitable policies and strategies in all the 10 decisions areas of operation management. McDonald's operation management 10 decision areas. First is design of goods and service. McDonald's goal in strategic decision of operation management is to provide affordable products such as the serving sizes and prices of each products are based on the most popular consumer expectations. However, same McDonald's products are minimized in size to make them more affordable. Quality management. The company aims to maximize products quality within constraints such as cost and price limits. McDonald's uses a production line method to maintain product quality consistency. Consistency satisfies customers' expectations about McDonald's and its brand in this strategic decision area of operation management. Process and capacity design. McDonald's process and capacity design is centered on efficiency for cost minimization that supports the company's strategies. The strategic decision area of operation management focuses on maintaining process efficiency and adequate capacity to fulfill market demand. At McDonald's, the production line method maximizes efficiency and capacity utilization. Location strategy. McDonald's goal in this strategic decision area of operation management is to establish location for maximum market reach. McDonald's marketing mix includes restaurant kiosks, and company website and mobile app as venues. Through this, its location venues McDonald's reaches customer in traditional and online ways. Next is layout design and strategy. McDonald's uses particularly for this decision area of operation management. The strategy involves maximizing space utilization in restaurant and kiosks rather than focusing on comfort and spaciousness. Next is job design and human resources. McDonald's human resources strategies involve training for skills needed in the production line in restaurant, kitchens, or production areas. For this decision area of operation management, individual and organizational learning are also emphasized to support McDonald's organizational structure, or McDonald's organizational culture rather. So next, supply chain management. The firm's global supply chain supports its various locations around the world. McDonald's has a strategy of supply chain diversification for this decision area of operations management. Such strategy involves getting more suppliers from different regions to reduce McDonald's supply chain risk. Next, inventory management. The McDonald's goal for this strategic decision decision area of operation management is to minimize inventory costs while supporting operations. The company does not directly sell products or ingredients to its restaurants. Instead, the local and regional intermediaries and distributors coordinate with McDonald's restaurant managers to manage their inventory. Next is the scheduling. McDonald's uses corporate conventions for scheduling based on local market conditions and laws as well as supply chain needs. For example, the company's strategy involves regular and seasonal schedules to address fluctuations and in local market demand. Thus, in this decision area operation management, McDonald's is flexible and adapt to local market conditions. Maintenance. So, McDonald's lets restaurant managers or franchises select maintenance service providers. However, for kitchen or production equipment, McDonald's Corporation also has a certified or approved maintenance providers. Thus, the company addresses the strategic decision area of operations management through local and corporate control.